How to update Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First visit the official Silhouette website. Step 2. Go to Software and click Get Software. Step 3. Click on the More Info button in the Silhouette Studio tile. Step 4. Click the Download Silhouette Studio button. Step 5. Wait for the download to complete and open the downloaded file. Step 6. Click Next in the Silhouette Studio Setup Wizard window. Step 7. Click Install in the Ready to Install window and it'll start installing. Step 8. Once done, click Finish to exit the Setup Wizard window. Step 9. Launch Silhouette Studio. Step 10. Go to Help in the top bar and select About Silhouette Studio. Step 11. Check the About window and your Silhouette Studio will be updated to the latest version. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.